We're going to construct a regular octagon right now, and what you want to do to start this construction is you want to create a segment of arbitrary length, not too big, not too small. And then what we're going to do is construct the perpendicular bisector of that segment, which is an awful lot like a midpoint construction that you've already done several times. You're going to make sure your compass goes significantly more than half of the distance of your segment, and then from one endpoint of your segment you're going to create an arc like so, and then from the other endpoint of your segment, without changing the compass distance, you're going to create another arc so that you have two intersecting arcs. And at this point you're going to put the ruler down across this intersection point and across that intersection point, and you're going to draw what is the perpendicular bisector. So it's a line that's perpendicular to the original segment, and it's also a line that hits or bisects the midpoint of the original segment. Alright, so now you've got your perpendicular bisector. The next thing that you're going to want to do is take your compass, and you're going to want to make a circle, but you're going to want that circle to hit all four of these sides when it's on its way around, and the center of the circle is going to be right here. So I'm going to need to slim my compass down a tiny bit so that it's going to connect here, and once I do, I can make my circle, and it's going around the entire thing. And it's going to create four pretty important intersection points. Here, you've got one here, and one here, and that's the four places that the circle hits your original segment and your intersecting perpendicular bisector. If you were to stop here and connect those four intersection points, you would actually have a regular quadrilateral, which is a square, but we're going to keep going. And what you're going to do is you're going to, from these two or any two intersection points, you're going to take your compass again, and you don't even have to change the size. You could if you wanted to here, but you're going to make a swipe out here, and then from this intersection point here, this second one, you're going to make a second swipe, and the place where they intersect is going to be the bisection of this angle here. And so what you will now do is put your compass through, or I'm sorry, your straight edge through this new intersection point and the center of the circle, and you'll have bisected this angle. If you draw it through to the other side, it will also bisect the vertical angle of this angle. So you're going to draw a straight line through, and now you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 congruent angles. You're going to do the same exact thing with one of the other angles, so that all four angles have been bisected, giving you 8 angles. So you'll make a swipe from there, you'll make another swipe from there, and again you'll line your compass up with that intersection point and the center of the circle. Okay, and now we're in very good shape. What you want to do is pay attention to these new intersection points here, 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 and here, and you'll notice that it broke the circle up, hopefully, into 8 even spaces. And you're going to connect those intersection points, which will create a regular octagon. So you're going to go from here to here, and from here to here, and you'll just make your way around, and once you've made your way all the way around, you will have made a regular octagon. Hope this worked out for you.